the world that you see is not only a world of perception, it's an outpicturing of what already has existence within the field of consciousness. We've used the Empire State Building over and over. The Empire State Building, a guy sits back, lights a cigar, and pictures the biggest, tallest building in the world. Wham! In that instant, the Empire State Building was done. Then, the consequent was the energy, enthusiasm, and the vision of it captured the imagination of others, who then brought out billions of dollars from their banks, and then, of course, the infighting between the unions and the banks and the percentage rates, but that's all trivia. The creation was the inspiration within the head of the creator of the Empire State Building. That's how every great thing comes out. So here was the power of the Empire State Building, and this is nothing but the consequence. If you've got an inspiring vision, then it's just a matter of meeting the right people to find people who want to get involved in that, because they themselves are uplifted by the image. Huh? All right, so the company has to increase, it needs a much better image of who it is in the world. It's walking around with a defensive inferiority complex, lying instead of telling the truth, using people that, to my mind, are just too young to have wisdom. All right, there's a difference between intelligence and wisdom. Intelligence is very good at thinking up very clever things. But what to do with those clever things is up to wisdom. And too many decisions, in my view of it, are made up by people who have great intelligence, great cleverness, but lack wisdom of how to contextualize that and how to time it and how to present it and how to shade it so that it wins you friends and influences people, yeah? Everybody knows there's advertisements that make you love them, and there's advertisements that make you hate them. Now, why is it these companies that are spending billions of dollars on all this don't know that? Do they not know that, or what? No, because they don't calibrate it. You say, what's the calibrated level of the audience I want to hit with this advertising? The calibrated level. If you're selling Combat 2, you don't want people over 400. You want people about 80. Depraved. You want the depraved market? No, that's your market. Depraved, right? It's better to write the advertising about your product in graffiti and then pay people $1 for every graffiti they smudge in the subway car, because that's where your people are. They're not in the Library of Congress.